If we can distract in Dandy's world, then why can't we distract indoors? Well, on how distract the figure. So, first you will need to go to this corner. Next, you need to hide behind this chair. Use maximum overdrive, or admin panel for distracting the figure. Then, if you want, get an alarm clock and place it in this chair. You need to keep moving behind this chair to lure the figure. Now, crouch behind the chair, and don't worry, figure can't fit behind the chair. You can also distract figure.by running around the whole library, showed in the distracting haste tutorial. Alarm clocks will still attract the figure, but if you place them behind the chair then, figure won't break the alarm clock. Now, here's some footage of me distracting. Like and subscribe for more videos and content.